Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the latest items that were sent to me by Radiomaster. In this quick video I'm just going to briefly show you what I've got, and most of these products are going to be featured in upcoming individual reviews. First we've got the jewels in the crown, the AG01 CNC metal gimbals. The quality of these whole sensor gimbals, which I must admit are pretty expensive, is simply amazing. They will enable you to adjust them without having the need to disassemble the radio controller, and at the first glance they look like a work of art. In my upcoming video I'm going to show you how to install them inside the Radiomaster TX16S radio controller and provide you with some feedback after testing them out. Next we've got the T8-Lite, a budget-friendly FrSky D8 compatible radio controller. While it looks identical to the T8 and T8 Pro radio controllers, as it shares with them the same form factor and exterior parts, it is actually a much less capable version of these two, as it doesn't feature a built-in multi-protocol radio transmission module, it runs a custom version of OpenTX, and it doesn't support the external screen, which is supported by the T8 and included with the T8 Pro, which enables you to configure and monitor the settings of the radio controller. The next item is the Turbo Racing C73 1-76 RC sports car. This is an extremely small and very cool RC car, and if everything will go according to plan, in my upcoming video I'm going to convert it to FPV. I've also got a Radiomaster hat, shirt, and shades, which I plan to use when I'm going to be testing the MNSRC COB LEDs. LEDs for the gimbals of the TX16S, which I'm probably not going to use, as they are not fully compatible with the AG01 CNC gimbals. A wireless trainer, which I plan to use in order to teach my wife how to fly. A pretty cool Radiomaster branded remove before flight keychain holder. Lubricating and damping oils for the gimbals. A Radiomaster soft case for carrying your accessories around, and two small and medium hard cases. Anyway, that's going to be it for this quick video, and by the way, while it looks like a lot of free stuff, there's actually a lot of work ahead of me, so in case you have any comments or suggestions regarding the upcoming reviews, please let me know in the comments section down below. I wish you all happy flying, and I'll see you soon on my next videos. Goodbye.